Hi there. Today we're going to talk about analytics. Analytics is a great tool to analyze your customers' preferences and behaviors, and as a result, to optimize your 3D tours and return of investment. With 3Ds, you have a comprehensive analytics dashboard to access and share anytime. To reach the analytics page, go to Spaces, choose a tour. On the Manage page, navigate to the top right corner and click on the Analytics button. Additionally, please note that in your profile section, if you go to Settings and click on Analytics, you can edit and add there your Google ID, Facebook Pixel ID, Facebook App ID. For instance, if you've got a Google Analytics account, you can attach your Google Analytics ID here and you will receive the analytics data from your 3D spaces into your Google Analytics account. Going back to the analytics dashboard, we can see a few sections here. You see the name of the tour, the summary, and the details from the data collected is down below. You can share your analytics page, click on share, and you can have two options to share your page. Share analytics report by email and make analytics public. The subject here is the title of your tour. Email. Insert the email that you want the report to be sent to. Frequency. You can choose if you want to send a daily, weekly, or monthly report. You can notice that the public link has been generated in here for the analytics page as well. The second option to share your analytics is to enable the Make Analytics Public toggle. You have here the same public link of the analytics page, which you can copy and send it to whomever you want. You can also download your analytics. It will get downloaded as an Excel file. You can also set the date range that you want to get analytics from. Let's set up from November last year to the current date. Now we are able to analyze the summary of the analytics for this specific time period. First, we've got the summary. You can see how many users have access to the tour, how many views, the average time spent in the tour, and the asset page views. Asset page is like a web page for your tour where you can see some of the information. You can also have analytics for the hub feature. I don't have any right now. Instead, I can take a look at the experience analytics for this tour. Average duration. Average duration indicates the average time of the experience. You can see the average score and the average rating. The table below shows essentially the same information but with more details per users, such as name, country, score, steps, status, duration, and rating. You can set up how many rows you want per page, and you also navigate like this through pages. Next, you can view the donut chart on the success and failure rate of the completion of the experience, which provides a nice visualization of this important element of the analytics report. You can also see the general graphic of the average time spent on the tour by hours. You can see how much time was spent on the tour during a specific hour. Then we have users and views graphic. If you hover over the points in here, you will see the information related to this. Then we've got the device chart, which shows you how many times the tour has been accessed according to the devices used by visitors. Then we've got visits by country, which can give you an insight of the general background of your visitors by country they are from. We can also hover over the countries on the map and see the details according to the highlighted countries. Next, we have visits by browsers, which provides you with insights on which browsers have been used by your visitors to access the tour. Visits by source, it shows you by which website users have visited the tour. Next, we have the heat map. This provides you with information on what are the most visited sweeps or places in the tour. According to your own analytics data, you will notice that the sweeps indicated in the heat map can have various colors. The colors indicate the level of the least visited to the most visited places in the tour. If there is a sweep with a greenish color, which I don't have, it means that it's not a very visited sweep in the tour. Then there is a yellowish color of the sweeps, which has a higher level of people visiting the place, and red shows the most visited sweeps in the tour. The heat map, therefore, is useful, for instance, to detect which are the most attractive or thought provoking places in the tour and to try to change some things about your tour. Sweep group visits. This shows how many visits have been there for specific sweep groups. And visits by channel. This donut chart shows the visits of the tour by source. We've got direct, referral, and email. Direct is when the user typed the address of the tour and visited the page. Referral is when the user clicked on some link and he was referred to the tour. And email is when the user accessed the tour by email. And there you go, now you know how to access and navigate the analytics page.